So whether you're coming in from Blantyre, Malawi, Accra, Ghana, Nairobi, Kenya, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, listen, from Cape to Cairo and beyond, you are absolutely welcome. It is a pleasure to have you within our borders. I can speak on behalf of Zambians to say that we've been expecting you.
When the sun rises, you must run. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running digitally.
So I think, on all fronts it's been great so far. We were at the dinner last night, and I think that was also really amazing. I met a lot of people, had a really great time.
Everyone here, we have over 600 individuals here today. We have over 1,000 university students from across Zambia tuning in. So it's turning out to be an absolutely spectacular event. But as an organizer, I do gotta say it's pretty busy.